In this video, I'll show you how to send money to Nigeria using Remitly. Remitly is a fast, reliable, and affordable way to transfer money internationally. If you're new, sign up using the link below and enjoy your first transfer fee free. Let's get started. Now start by opening up the Remitly app or visiting their website at remitly.com. And again, if you don't have an account, use the link below to sign up for free and enjoy your first transfer with no fees. If you already have an account, just log in to continue. And then once logged in, select Nigeria as your destination country on this section. You can scroll down until you see Nigeria, but you can also opt to type in on this part and select Nigeria from the results. So after that, hit send money. After that, you just need to type in the amount that you'd like to send, first in USD. So for example, I want to send 100 US dollars. Then on this part, you'll have an automatic conversion of the same amount that you have typed in right here for the corresponding currency. Now on this part, you'll be able to see the current exchange rate and also the flat fee rate or the fees that you are going to pay for the transaction. Now hit continue. Now on this part, you just need to select the delivery method. So for Nigeria, you'll have two options, which are bank deposit and cash pickup. Now for the bank deposit, you'll be able to deposit directly to a Nigerian bank. And for the options, so you have there First Bank, United Bank for Africa, and you'll have more once you go onto this part. And for cash pickup, these are your options. So you can go for Fidelity Bank, Polaris Bank, and so on. And for this video, we're going with cash pickup and select the first option that we have here. And then on the next part, you just need to type in the recipient's name. So for example, you need the first name, the middle name, and also the last name. And then hit continue. Now enter the recipient's city as it would appear on their valid ID. So for example, Victoria Island. So then I'm just going to type that in here and continue. Now, if you'd like for your recipient to receive transfer updates, you can type in their mobile number on this part, but this is completely optional, so you can skip this one. And then the reason for sending. So once you click onto this part, you'll be able to see different options. So you can go for savings, family support, education, medical payment, and so on. And now we are going with education and hit continue. And then select your payment method. So you have three options. So you can go for a debit card, credit card, and also you can pay with a bank account. But for now, we are going with card. And then you need to enter the card number, expiration date, security code, and your name as it appears on your card. And for this part, you just need to double check on the billing address. And for the next part, after you hit the next button, or after hitting the next button, you just need to carefully review all the details of your transfer, including the amount, recipient information, and also the delivery method. Once confirmed, Remitly provides a tracking number you can share with your recipient. And that's it. Those are all the steps that you need to do. So sending money to Nigeria with Remitly is simple, secure, and also fast. Don't forget to sign up using the link below to get your first transfer fee free. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.